In this video I'm going to show you how to make faceless shorts with the help of DeepSeek so you can start your own short channel, generate views and have the potential to make a decent amount of money. This channel is making an average of $20,000 per month simply by posting AI-generated mysterious shorts. They posted only 406 videos and getting over 7 million views per month. So this channel is literally making more than $700 a day. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy the strategy without showing your face. So make sure to leave a like on this video for a little appreciation. Okay, so there are 4 simple steps to creating faceless videos. First, write a viral script. Second, generate AI visuals. Third, create a realistic AI voiceover. Finally, edit everything together to complete the video. And for the first step, we will be using DeepSeek. DeepSeek helps generate scripts, titles and SEO descriptions, suggests video ideas and summarizes transcripts. It even decodes thumbnails and visuals for better content optimization. So this channel is making videos on a mystery niche and we're going to be trying to copy this channel. So instead of asking, give me 10 script ideas, we want to make DeepSeek a scriptwriter first. So write this act as a professional mystery scriptwriter. I'm creating mystery shorts for YouTube. Each under 60 seconds generate 10 script ideas that start with a gripping hook and end with a shocking revelation. This prompt makes DeepSeek generate better scripts which are highly engaging to keep viewers watching till the end. So if we now press enter, then it'll start generating 10 different short ideas. These ideas are much better than simply asking for 10 ideas. So you want to read all of these ideas and pick one that is more interesting to you. And once you find an idea you just want to copy the title of it and ask DeepSeek to write a complete script on this idea. Keep it under 60 seconds. The script will be narrated by third person. So provide the script according to that. Also, I'll be generating AI images for each scene. So provide an ultra-detailed image prompt for each scene. Then you just want to press enter. And here we're getting the script and image generation prompts. The next step is to generate visuals, and we're going to use Leonardo AI for that. But you can use any other image generation tool, it doesn't matter. Leonardo AI provides 150 free tokens per day, so you don't need to spend too much money at the beginning. So once you come to this website, click on Get Started and create an account, and after login, you want to click Image Creation. Then copy the image generation prompt of the first scene and paste it here. Make sure you choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. It'll give us the most realistic result. Next you want to set the image.